Hello everyone. I have a GS2236 Plus satellite tuner in my hands. The problem arose in the constant reboot of the tuner. I turn it on and the download starts. The tuner turned on, I press the channel button and it reboots again. The tuner reboots in a circle even if I don't press anything. I unscrew the 4 screws of the power supply in order to look at the inside of the board. By the way, when I removed the cover of the tuner housing, there was a lot of dust which I wiped off. Everything is fine at the bottom of the power supply board. I examined all the capacitors on the boards. They are all in working order. There are no swellings. I even tested it with a soldering iron, heated each capacitor, then turned on the tuner, but the reboot remained. But everything turned out to be easier. This is dust on the dashboard circuit board. I needed alcohol and used cotton wool to carefully wipe everything on the dashboard circuit board. There was less dust there than on other boards, but this was quite enough for a malfunction. Now let's see how the tuner will work. The tuner turned on, no reboots. Now I switch channels, more or less. As you can see, everything switches and there is no reboot. At this point, the repair can be completed. Thank you for your attention. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.